If you're thinking of starting affiliate marketing and you don't have much capital, or you don't even have money at all, but you want to start making money from affiliate marketing, then this is a video you should watch to the end, because in today's video I'm going to show you 7 secret affiliate programs you can start as a Nigerian. All right, even if you're not a Nigerian, some of these platforms you can still be part of it and make some decent money for yourself. All right, if this is your first time of coming onto this channel, I welcome you to my channel. My name is Awajiimam Isioto, and on this channel I teach you different things you can do that can help you make money for yourself and grow your finances. All right, so kindly, before I go into this video, just do me a favor by liking and subscribing to this video, and make sure to turn on the notification bell, because when you do that, you're going to be seeing more of my videos. You're going to get notified whenever I post new content. All right, so kindly do that for me. Thank you very much. Okay, so let's go straight into the video. Let me show you 7 secret affiliate platforms you can join and start making money for yourself. So number 1 on my list is Jumia affiliate program. A lot of us know Jumia. If you have been buying stuffs online, you would have heard about Jumia. Jumia is one of the largest e-commerce platforms in Africa that offers up to 10% commissions when you promote their product. All right, it's very easy for you to join Jumia affiliate. Just go to your Google and type Jumia affiliate program. It's going to bring up the options for you, and then you can click through and sign up on the platform. All right, there are different commissions depending on the products. Okay, so let me just take you to my Google and let me show you what the program looks like. Let me show you how to get through. You just click on this, you type Jumia affiliate program, and then you enter it. Okay, so you can either pick this one, Jumia KOL program, which is here. Okay, you can see, you can pick this one, and then you can read through, search through, and look at the one you can do. Just for you to sign up, you need to register, you need to advertise, which is promotion, and then you earn. Okay, for you to join is just to tap the join button. I've created a video for this. All right, I've created a video on how you can be part of this. So what you just do is go to the link in the description, check for that video. Okay, that's how to join. This is one of the programs, and then you can come here again and tap this one. Once you tap this one, it's going to bring you here. You can see this is all the commissions for different products that you can promote. Are you seeing? Can you see? These are all the products. And then for you to join, you can see this place that says join now for free. All you need to do is to click on it. Once you click on it, it will give you all the details that you need to fill in to join. All right, that is for Jumia. Now the next one we have is number 2 is Konga affiliate program. All right, Konga is another prominent e-commerce platform that offers up to 10% in commission when you promote their product and make a sale for them. Okay, that is Konga. You can also go to the search area in your Google and search for it. Okay, that is number 2. Number 3 is Espartnia affiliate program. Espartnia is a platform that focuses on digital products, offering up to 50% commission. Yes, this is real. I've made money on this platform and it is real. Okay, although they are going to charge you some amount of money to be an affiliate on this platform, about 10,000 naira or so. Okay, but there is money on this platform. Basically, you promote their digital product, and when there's a sale, you get a commission. Are you getting it now? That is Espartnia. So let me just go to my Google and just search for, let me show you the platform. Good, this is the platform. Can you see it? We distribute high value digital products. Are you getting now? You can see what the platform looks like. You can see what the platform looks like. So you just come here, you sign up, and then you pick a product and you start promoting. Okay, You can see. So for you to join this platform now, you can even make money here as a vendor if you have your own digital product. But for you to become an affiliate, you come here and click become an affiliate. If I click it now, you can see what it will be showing me. You can see it's telling me to sign up. All right, can you see? Once you sign up, you promote. When there's a sale, you get paid. Remember I told you that you just need the sum of 10,000 naira to become an affiliate here. You can see it here. It's saying fill our short affiliate sign up form and pay a yearly sign up fee of 10,000 naira only. So the yearly fee is just 10,000. So once you pay this once, it's going to be for a year. So after that, you can still sign up again. That is after your yearly fee has elapsed. Are you getting it now? So just 10,000 per annum for you to join this platform. And I can tell you this platform can pay you a lot of money if you know how to do affiliate marketing. If you want to learn how to do it, if you want me to show you how to succeed on this platform, go to the comment section and drop the word expertnia for me. Okay, drop the word expertnia. All right, or drop the word affiliate marketing and I'm going to respond to you. Okay, that's number 2. Number 3 now. Okay, that's number 3. Number 4 is ClickBank affiliate program. ClickBank affiliate program. That's a global platform with a wide range of digital products, just like Expertnia, offering up to 75% commissions. Now, the beauty about ClickBank affiliate marketing program is that you can earn in dollars. Are you getting it now? You can earn in dollars and convert the money straight to your bank account, all right? Or using any other payment options that you have. Okay, so let's quickly check what this platform looks like. I'll take you here again and then I'll click on this and open this. All right. When we scroll down, you can see 6.5 billion plus commissions paid and 100k plus active affiliates. Can you see? So this is a platform that can pay you in dollars. A lot of people are on this platform making money on this platform. So if you want to be part of this, you can come here and also join the platform. Make sure to check all the links that I'll drop in my description, all right, just for further information about all of these platforms I'm mentioning. All right, so that's number 4. Okay, that's number 4. Now number 5 for my list is Share a Sale. Share a Sale is another affiliate platform where you can network with thousands of people and even promote their products and earn 50% commissions. Are you getting it now? They also sell digital products. Okay, that's number 5. Number 6 is Travel Start affiliate program. This is a travel booking platform that offers up to 70% commissions once you make a promotion and make a sale. All right, when people book through this traveling platform, through your link, you get paid a commission of 70%. This is good way to make money for yourself without even investing a dime. Are you getting it now? That's number 6. You can go to your Google and search to learn more about this. That's number 6. Number 7 is Waka Now. Waka Now affiliate program is also a travel and tourism platform that offers you 50% commissions when people make bookings through your link. Are you getting now? This is a very good way for you to make money without investing anything, apart from the Expertnia, which I showed you that it was 10,000 naira for you to sign up. Okay, there are different affiliate platforms you can join to start making money for yourself, but this is just 7 for the sake of this video. If you got value from this video, kindly tap the like button, kindly subscribe to the video and join my family, and also don't forget to tap the notification bell so that when I put more content, when I post more content, you are going to be notified that I have shared new content. All right, if you want to learn how to do affiliate marketing step by step and how to make money for yourself, using affiliate marketing, go to the link in the description. I'll drop links for you there. All right, do well to check all those links. If you have questions for me, drop it in the comments section, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Enjoy.